All of you, good morning. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 11. Hydroxy compounds and ethers is this lesson. This video include what is alcohol and types of alcohol and IUPAC nomenclature for alcohol. That means naming of alcohol and preparation of alcohol. Before entering this video, subscribe this channel. Alcohol, organic compound containing hydroxyl group as a functional group is called as a alcohol. General formula for alcohol is ROH. R may be alkyl or aryl group. Next one is a classification. Alcohols can be classified based on the number of hydroxyl group and the nature of the carbon to which the functional group is attached. Alcohol classified into two types. One is a monohydric alcohol. Second one is a polyhydric alcohol. In monohydric alcohol, only one hydroxyl group is present. Polyhydric alcohol, more than one hydroxyl group is present in the polyhydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol further classified into two types. One is a OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next one is a OH group attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom is further classified into three types. One is a OH group attached to alkyl group. Example for this is a ethyl alcohol. Second one is a OH group attached to allyl group. Example for this is allyl alcohol. Third one is a OH group attached to benzyl alcohol. Example for this is benzyl alcohol. Next one is a polyhydric alcohol. Based on the number of hydroxyl group present in the alcohol, polyhydric alcohol classified into dihydric alcohol. Example for dihydric alcohol is glycol. Next one is a trihydric alcohol. In trihydric alcohol, 3 hydroxyl group is present. Example glycerol. Next one is a tetrahydric alcohol. In tetrahydric alcohol, 4 hydroxyl group is present. Alcohol classified into monohydric and polyhydric. In monohydric alcohol, only one hydroxyl group is present. Polyhydric alcohol, more than one hydroxyl group is present. If 2 hydroxyl group is present, called as a dihydric alcohol. If 3 hydroxyl group is present, called as a trihydric alcohol. If 4 hydroxyl group is present, called as a tetrahydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol classified into two types. One is a OH group attached to sp3 carbon atom. Second one is a OH group attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom is further classified into OH group is attached to alkyl group, OH group is attached to allyl group, OH group is attached to benzyl group. Alcohol is a organic compound containing hydroxyl group as a functional group is called as a alcohol. General formula for alcohol is a ROH. Next one is a naming of alcohol. That means IUPAC naming and common naming of alcohol. IUPAC naming of alcohol. First one is a common name. CH3OH. CH3 is a methyl. So common name of this compound is methyl alcohol. Next CH3CH2, this is ethyl group. So common name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. Next one CH3CH2CH3. This is N-propyl group. So common name of this compound is N-propyl alcohol. Next one CH3CH3 is a isopropyl group. So common name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Next one C6H5CH2OH. C6H5CH2 is a benzyl group. So benzyl alcohol. Next one is a IUPAC naming. IUPAC naming of alcohol is ended with OL, all. CH3OH, only one carbon is present. So IUPAC name of this compound is methanol. Methanol. CH3 CH2OH 2 carbon is present, so IUPAC name is ethanol. In N-propyl alcohol 3 carbon is present, so propanol. One, two, three. So IUPAC name of this compound is propane. In second position OH group is present, so OL all, propane 2 all. Next one C6H5CH2OH, this is phenyl group. Phenyl 1 carbon is present, so phenyl, remaining 1 carbon is present, so phenyl methanol. Next one, common name of this compound is cyclohexyl alcohol. Cyclohexyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this compound is cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon is present. 6 carbon is in a ring structure, so IUPAC name of this compound is cyclohexanol. Next one, CH3 is a tertiary butyl group, so common name of this compound is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Next one, CH3 CH2 is a isobutyl group, so isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. Next one, CH3 is a neopentyl group, so common name of this compound is neopentyl alcohol. Neopentyl alcohol. Next one is a IUPAC naming. 1, 2, 3 carbon is present. In second position 1 methyl group, OH group is present, so IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl. 3 carbon is present, so propane. In second position OL alcohol group is present, so IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl propane 2 all. Next one, 1, 2, 3. In second position 1 methyl group is present, so IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl. 3 carbon is present, so propane 1 all. This is IUPAC naming. Next one, 1, 2, 3. In second position 2 methyl group is substituent group is present, so IUPAC name of this compound is 2,2 dimethyl. 3 carbon is present, so propane 1 all is a IUPAC name of neopentyl alcohol. Last one, CH2 double bond CH2 is a allyl group, so common name of this compound is allyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this compound is this compound 1, 2, 3 carbon is present. In second carbon double bond is present, so name of this compound is prop. 3 carbon is present, so prop. Second position is ene position, prop 2 ene. First carbon is OL is present, OH group is present, so 3 carbon is present, so prop. Second carbon is enol carbon, so 2 ene. First carbon is OH group is present, so 1 all is IUPAC name of allyl alcohol. Preparation of alcohol. First method, from alkyl halides. When alkyl halides on heating with dilute aqueous sodium hydroxide gives a alcohol. Example, CH3Br methyl bromide react with sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide to form a methyl alcohol. CH3OH is a methyl alcohol. second one CH3 CH2Br. This is ethyl bromide react with aqueous sodium hydroxide on heating to form a ethyl alcohol. CH3 CH2OH. Name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. This is example for primary alkyl halide. This is also example for primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide undergo SN2 reaction. Secondary and tertiary alkyl halide undergo SN1 reaction. Next one example CH3 CH3 isopropyl bromide react with aqueous sodium hydroxide to form a isopropyl alcohol. CH3 CH3OH. Name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Primary alkyl halide undergo SN2 reaction. Secondary and tertiary alkyl halide undergo SN1 reaction. This is secondary alkyl halide. So this is example for SN1 reaction. These first two examples are example for SN2 reaction. When alkene, one of the example CH2 double bond CH2 ethylene is added to water in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form a alcohol. CH3 CH2OH. Name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. During this addition reaction to follow a Markovnikov rule. Next one example CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is propylene react with water in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form a propane 2-ol. CH3 CH3OH. That means more branched alcohol is formed. This is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Preparation of alcohol, third method, from Grignard reagent. Nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde bar ketones presence of dry ether followed by the acid hydrolysis give the alcohol. Formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. Other aldehyde gives secondary alcohol. Ketone gives a tertiary alcohol. Example CH3MgBr. This is methyl magnesium bromide react with formaldehyde HCHO in the presence of dry ether. We get CH3 CH2OMgBr. This on acid hydrolysis H plus bar H2O we get ethyl alcohol. CH3 CH2OH. Name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. Formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. Other aldehyde gives secondary alcohol. Ketone gives a tertiary alcohol. Next one example CH3MgBr. This is methyl magnesium bromide react with acetaldehyde CH3CHO in the presence of dry ether to form a CH3 CH3OMgBr. This undergo acid hydrolysis to form a secondary alcohol CH3OH. Name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Next one example CH3MgBr. This is methyl magnesium bromide react with ketone, that means acetone CH3COCH3 in the presence of dry ether to form a CH3OMgBr. This undergo acid hydrolysis to form a tertiary alcohol CH3 CH3OH. Common name of this compound is tertiary butyl alcohol. Next one, hydroboration. Diborane react with alkene to form a trialkyl borane, which on treatment with hydrogen peroxide in the presence of sodium hydroxide gives a alcohol. This reaction follows a anti-Markovnikov rule. Example, propylene CH3 CH double bond CH2. Propylene react with diborane B2H6. 6 moles of propylene react with diborane to form a tripropyl borane. CH3 CH2 CH2 thrice B. Name of this compound is tripropyl borane. Tripropyl borane. This on treatment with hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide to form a N-propyl alcohol. CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Name of this compound is N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. Preparation of alcohol by the reduction of carbonyl compound. Reduction of aldehyde bar ketone with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of solvent like THF tetrahydrofuran followed by the hydrolysis give the alcohol. Example, CH3 CHO. This is acetaldehyde undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of THF followed by hydrolysis to form a alcohol. CH3 CH2OH. Name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. Next one example, CH3 CO CH3. This is example for ketone. Name of this compound is acetone. Undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of THF and water followed by the hydrolysis to form a CH3 CH3OH. Name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. Next one, benzoic acid C6H5COOH. Name of this compound is benzoic acid. Undergo reduction with a lithium aluminum hydride and undergo hydrolysis H2O to form a benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2OH. Name of this compound is benzyl alcohol. Next one, CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. This is unsaturated aliphatic aldehyde undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by the hydrolysis to form a unsaturated alcohol. CH3 CH double bond CH CH2OH. Name of this compound is crotyl alcohol. Crotyl alcohol. Name of this compound is a crotonaldehyde. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.